Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing an important topic: prioritizing home improvement projects. By identifying the most critical and cost-effective projects, you can add value to your home while optimizing your resources. Let's dive right in. When it comes to prioritizing home improvement projects, there are a few key factors to consider. First, focus on essential repairs. These are the repairs that directly affect the safety and structural integrity of your home. Issues such as leaks, faulty electrical wiring, or foundation problems should be addressed promptly. Next, think about energy-efficient upgrades. These projects not only benefit the environment, but also save you money in the long run. Consider installing energy-efficient windows, upgrading insulation, or investing in smart home technology to optimize your energy usage. Finally, pay attention to areas that have a high impact on the overall aesthetics and functionality of your home. These are the projects that enhance the visual appeal and livability of your space. Think about renovating the kitchen, updating the bathroom, or improving the curb appeal of your house. By following this prioritization approach, you can ensure that you're allocating your resources effectively and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Now, let's talk about a step-by-step process to help you identify the most critical projects. Step 1. Assess the current state of your home. Take a thorough walkthrough and note any issues and make a list of desired improvements. Step 2. Evaluate the urgency and impact of each project. Determine which projects are essential, energy efficient, or have a high impact on aesthetics and functionality. Step 3. Consider your budget and available resources. Be realistic about what you can afford and allocate your funds accordingly. Step 4. Seek professional advice. Consult with contractors, architects, or other experts who can provide insights and help you make informed decisions. Step 5. Create a project timeline. Prioritize and schedule the projects based on their urgency, impact, and budget constraints. Remember, prioritizing your home improvement projects ensures that you're maximizing value and efficiency. It allows you to tackle essential repairs, invest in energy-efficient upgrades, and enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your home. That wraps up today's video on prioritizing home improvement projects. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automation-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.